How's it, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. There's a lot going on in the commodity space right now. It's easy to get distracted by crude oil back above its prior cycle highs or gold and silver absolutely ripping this week. But there's more to it. And today I want to share with you one chart or one commodity in particular that's caught my attention in recent weeks: Palladium. Here's Palladium with the COT positioning and the lower pain. Now, there are three reasons why I think Palladium could go on a rip-roaring rally. First is the positioning. I'm focused on this red line, which is the commercials. Now, I like to focus on commercials because they represent the smart money. They've got inside knowledge, they've got the deepest pockets, and they are the largest net short sellers, right? So if you notice, they're holding their largest, or recently held their largest net long position ever, right? And when we've seen similar positioning in the past, extreme levels, such as the one we're witnessing now, have led to sustained uptrends. Back in 2012, 2016, and 2018, all highlighted here in yellow, coincided with major pivot lows. Now, the rallies really didn't take off until the commercials began to unwind their position. Now, today, they're accumulating hand over fist. So the accumulation phase is still ongoing. So the conditions are set for a rally, but we're just not there yet. Number two, price is finding support at a logical level. So with number one in mind, smart money is accumulating. Price is finding support at a logical level. That tells me that we're just in the midst of an accumulation phase, and buyers, the deepest pockets, aren't willing to let price fall below this level. Now notice this 1332 level, this 423 extension level is from a multi-decade base going back in the 80s and 90s. Now what I love about this chart is that the market has respected these key Fibonacci levels for the past 40 years. And notice after that big breakout in the late 90s, that 850 price level came resistance for almost another 2 decades. Right? That was a 261 extension level. So big level. Market's been respecting it. I want to respect it. And what's also important, number three, is that on the most recent decline into the year-to-date lows, the 14-day RSI momentum did not hit oversold. That's telling me that the bears are simply running out of steam. They're losing conviction, not only at a key extension level, but also at the 2020 lows, right? Deepest pockets out there, smart money, all bulled up. Bears are kind of giving up, and we're at a logical level for price to dig in, and it is, right? So what's the play? Well, it depends on your tactics. It depends on your personality and your style. Personally, I like buying strength. So my entry level is on a decisive close above last month's pivot high around 1532. Now, again, a decisive close, decisive break above that level. I like Palladium futures long towards 1825, with the understanding that it could go much higher, and this small potential reversal pattern could just launch price back towards 2000 and even 3500. Or you're more of a mean reversion style trader, you could simply start to get long against the year-to-date lows of 1333. That's also a valid tactic. However, it could get messy. If we get long on today's action, even though it's strong, it could continue to chop sideways. It could be in the red for a while. And that's just something I have a hard time holding on to losing trades. It doesn't suit me personally. But if you're a longer term investor and you're okay with that, then 1333 is the level to trade against. So a lot going on out there. It's not just crude oil, though it is looking good. And so is gasoline and other energy contracts, or precious metals, gold and silver. Now, palladium, yeah, it's kind of a precious metal too. That's a good debate. We'll have that. That's a debate for another day. But there's a lot going on in this space. Ags are looking good. Softs have been very strong. So for now, I really want to pay attention to palladium and keep my eyes on this 1532 level for potential upside thrust. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out, info@allstarcharts, or you can ping me at Ian Culley on Twitter. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day and a wonderful Easter.